Hello students, welcome back. Let's go to exercise 10b, isosceles triangles, concise mathematics 9th class. First problem, ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB and AC are equal sides. If they are produced, AB is produced up to D and AC is produced up to F, then the exterior angles so formed are obtuse and equal. The exterior angles so formed, we have to prove that they are equal. Angle DBC is equal to angle FCB and they are obtuse. Now since AB is equal to AC, the angles opposite equal sides are equal. Let them be X and X. Now angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to 180, linear pair. Therefore angle DBC is equal to 180 minus X. Similarly angle ACB plus angle FCB is equal to 180. Same reason, linear pair. Therefore angle FCB is equal to 180 minus X. Since both these angles are 180 minus X each, angle DBC is equal to angle FCB. Only one obtuse angle is possible in a triangle. If there are two obtuse angles, these sides will never meet. In a triangle, only one obtuse angle can be there. Two obtuse angles are not possible. So these angles have to be acute. So 180 minus acute angle will be an obtuse angle. In this figure, AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that DP is equal to DQ, AP is equal to AQ and AD bisects angle A. AD bisects angle A means we have to prove that this is equal to this. Now what is given? Side AB is equal to side AC. Then angle B will be equal to angle C because angles opposite equal sides are equal. In triangle DPB and triangle DQC, BD is equal to CD, it is given. Angle DPB is equal to angle DQC, 90 degree each, it is given. Angle B is equal to angle C because angles opposite equal sides are equal. Therefore triangle DPB is congruent to triangle DQC. AAS postulate. Therefore DP is equal to DQ, proved. Next we have to prove that AP is equal to AQ. Now in triangle ADP and triangle ADQ, AD is common side. AD is equal to AD. Angle APD is equal to angle AQD because DP is perpendicular to AB and DQ is perpendicular to AC. Now DP is equal to DQ, CPCTC. We have proved that this triangle DPB is congruent to triangle DQC. Therefore DP is equal to DQ, CPCTC. Therefore triangle ADP is congruent to triangle ADQ. RHS postulate. Therefore AP is equal to AQ, CPCTC. And angle PAD is equal to angle QAD, CPCTC. That means AD bisects angle A. Third problem, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. We have to prove that BE is equal to CF and AF is equal to AE. Now in triangle FBC and triangle ECB, angle BFC is equal to angle CEB, each 90 degree, because it is given that B is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. Angle FBC is equal to angle ECB. Angles opposite equal sides are equal. Side BC is common to both the triangles. Therefore triangle FBC is congruent to triangle ECB. AA as postulate. Therefore, BE is equal to CF, CPCTC. FB is equal to EC, CPCTC. Now AB is equal to AC given. FB is equal to EC, CPCTC. Proved just now. If you subtract equals from equals, the remainders are equals. So AB minus FB, AB minus FB is equal to AF. AC minus EC is equal to AE. Therefore, AF is equal to AE. Fourth problem. In isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. The side BA is produced to D such that BA is equal to AD. We have to prove that angle BCD, this angle, is equal to 90 degree. Now AB is equal to AC. Therefore, the base angles opposite, equal sides are equal. Let them be x and x. AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AD given. Therefore, AC is equal to AD. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore, in triangle ACD, the angles opposite, equal sides are equal. Let them be Y and Y. Now in triangle DBC, angle BDC plus angle DBC plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle BDC is equal to what? Angle BDC is equal to Y. Angle DBC is equal to X. Angle DCB is equal to X plus Y is equal to 180. Now 2X plus 2Y is equal to 180, or X plus Y is equal to 90 degree. Angle BCD is equal to X plus Y. Therefore, angle BCD is equal to 90 degree.